Have you ever wondered how rain clouds form? Those gray, heavy clusters that sometimes hang in the sky, promising a refreshing downpour or even a dramatic thunderstorm. It's a natural phenomenon that we often take for granted, but the process behind rain cloud formation is quite fascinating. Imagine a sunny day. The sun's rays beat down on the surface of the earth, heating it up. This warmth isn't just absorbed by the ground beneath our feet, it also warms the air above. As this air heats up, it starts to rise, moving away from the surface. This is the first stage in the formation of a rain cloud. As the warm air ascends, it expands and cools. This is a simple principle of physics. When air is allowed to expand, it cools down, so the higher the air rises, the cooler it becomes. This is where the second stage of rain cloud formation comes into play. The air isn't just air, remember? It contains water vapor. And when this water vapor in the cooling air reaches a certain temperature, it begins to condense. It changes from a gas back into a liquid, forming tiny water droplets. Picture millions of these minuscule droplets suspended in the air. Together, they start to form a visible cloud. Now, we're at the third stage. Within the cloud, these water droplets start to come together. They collide and merge, growing in size. The more they combine, the bigger they get. These are the beginnings of raindrops. The process doesn't stop there. Inside the cloud, there's a constant cycle of condensation and collision. The raindrops keep growing until eventually they're too heavy to stay suspended in the air. Gravity takes over and the raindrops begin to fall towards the ground. And voila, we have rain. In essence, the formation of rain clouds is a cooling and condensation cycle. Warm air rises, cools, and condenses, forming water droplets. These droplets come together and grow until they fall as rain. It's a beautiful, complex process that happens above us almost every day. Next time you see a rain cloud, remember the remarkable sequence of events that led to its creation.